Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. In fact, alerted it today in our chat room at 53 cents, which was actually technically a little late. Had I been on my A game, I probably should have gotten it down in the 40 cents, but I guess later's better late than never, because from 53 cents to now where it closed up here at $1.27, definitely over 100% move. So for those of you in the chat room community, congratulations that are watching this. Definitely a good way to start off the week. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And that's just the area for Clay. What would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can somehow manage to stay up above this little breakout point it had during the final portion of the day, up above $1.15, give or take. Now, don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below $1.15, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would certainly make the chart look extremely powerful. Next level of support after $1.15, down there at the dollar mark. So $1.15, $1.02 of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action is in full control. How you can best visualize that, that's what is being represented. Again, yeah, that'd be great if the price could stay up above $1.15, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is all about just going through health consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, then everything else over time, including breaking levels of resistance, will take care of themselves. So great start to the week. It'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.